Okay, I'm still experimenting with loops in Python, kind of infinite loops of code. How can you do that? Been working on this for quite a few days. It's quite tricky. So I've got a new idea, and that's using the range for I in range. Oops, daisy. For I in range. Um, 10 and then colon. Okay, so for I in range 10 and then print this should show times. Okay, for I in range 10, print some text. Now that should show 10 times. I'm going to run that, have to save it, and it's going to run in the module. So that works. Could that work for more extensive code? I don't know. So let's try that with 20. Run in the module, got to save again. Anytime you change text, got to change. So that works. That's how you use range in Python. I'm going to try that with some more code, see if it works. But for now, that's just a short video just to show you how that works.